So let's dive into the concept of success in entrepreneurship, particularly how it's evolved over time. If we look back, there was a time when starting something simple, like a rice shop or a sugar factory, was a surefire way to succeed. These entrepreneurs didn't need any complex strategies to make money. It was almost like a guaranteed path to wealth. What's your take on that?
That's true. Back in those days, even starting a food stall, like selling sweet pancakes, was enough to thrive because there was simply nothing else available. People were hungry for that kind of food. I mean, can you imagine a time when selling something as basic as noodles could make you rich? It wasn't just about competition. There was a massive gap between supply and demand, right?
Exactly. Back then, even selling rice was an instant success. People couldn't even find rice in the market unless they had government permission. The same goes for tobacco. Only licensed sellers could sell it. It was an era where every business venture, no matter how small, would have people flocking to it. It was almost like the market was begging for more entrepreneurs.
It's fascinating how that shift happened. I mean, after the '88 Olympics, everything changed. The world opened up, and suddenly the floodgates were wide open for goods to pour in from all over the world. Competition started, and that's when the whole game shifted. When things were only coming by ship, there were limits to what could be brought in. But after the Olympics, planes from all over started bringing in products, creating a competitive market.
Right? And now we live in an era where supply and demand are no longer so simple. If you can't get apples, no problem, just buy pineapples. We have so many choices now, but that also means it's no longer enough to just set up a shop and watch the money roll in. You need a real plan to succeed.
Absolutely. Back then, even picking up discarded nails and selling them could bring in money. The market was that easy to navigate. But now, if you tried that today, people would probably think you're out of your mind. It's crazy how the times have changed. We're now in a society where it takes much more to succeed.
And it's not just about having money. I think a lot of people confuse having wealth with being successful. But true success isn't just about accumulating money, it's about how you use it, how you impact society, how you're respected for your contributions. Having a lot of money but not knowing how to use it means you're just hoarding wealth, not succeeding.
That's a great point. It's about using your resources wisely, in a way that helps others. There's a saying that money follows people who know how to use it. And that's where the future lies. Success isn't about just having the money, it's about how you make it work for the greater good.
Exactly. It's about having a purpose and knowing how to make that money work to make a difference. The people who will truly thrive in the future are the ones who know how to impact society, not just those with a big bank balance.
Yeah, and I think we're in the midst of that shift. We're no longer in the age where money alone defines success. The new era will be about creating value for the community, for the people around you, and showing real leadership through your actions, not just your wealth.
That's the kind of future I think we need to focus on. People who can combine their wealth with a purpose and make a real impact on society will be the true successes of tomorrow. I think that's the challenge we face now, moving from an era of hoarding to one of giving and sharing.
Well said. And that's the kind of future that I believe will define real success. The ones who are truly successful won't just be the ones who have money, they'll be the ones who've built something lasting and meaningful. It's an exciting time to think about what's to come.
Absolutely, the future is bright for those ready to step up and make a difference. Let's see who will emerge as the true trailblazers in this new era.